Hi, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so here we are doing figured I was working on here and make a video and show you another process of 2 other pages. Well, let me show you from the beginning. I think I recorded this on the first. I haven't done anything here. I did these 2 pages in the back. So I'm going to show you these 2. I'm sure I think I recorded the process of these 2, but I did these. I have to put a little card in here and one here. I'm just doing the pockets, a spread, and then I'll go back and fill. These 2 I did fill. I did a little pocket here with a little, what do you call this? I don't know. As soon as I hit the video, I forget the name of everything. Anyway, yeah. One of these little thingies. A brad. There you go, brad. Okay, and then I did this little mini journaling book where you open it and you close it, but then I did the back also. So you know me, it's all about journaling. It's making it pretty, but it has to be enough place to journal. So here on this one, I thought she was so cute. And it says, please come for dinner. And I'll put that there together. A little what is it called? Snippets. And then I did some also journaling cards. And so that goes there. Excuse my dog. My granddaughter's at the door, so he's barking up a storm. So we're here. So this is the next 2 pages, and I decided to go with blue. And so this is where we're at. This is a 12 by 12 that I cut to size. This one is, this paper has texture on it, so it's pretty good. That's why you hear the, I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, so let's place it here. I just noticed that my green juice is there. I just started juicing, and supposedly excuse me, it's really thick. This has, it has 2 handfuls of, what is it, spinach, 1 pear, 1 apple, 1 banana, and some, I would say like maybe half a cup, or maybe a cup, a little over half a cup of pineapple. And I have the bullet, so I just started juicing. So that's a cleansing recipe that I just gave you. I have a recipe book from the bullet, and that's there. So it's 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 apple, 1 pear, 1 banana, and pineapples. And then you put it all in there and you juice it up. The apple, I got regular apples because there's all different apples. I believe the granny apple is very, very sweet, so I tried to go with the less sweet. I forget the name of it. No, it's the McIntosh that's really sweet. So yeah, so I skipped over that one. Okay, so I had a little kit that I found, so I'm trying to use up whatever I have. So this is kind of what I'm going with. So this is my thinking process. So, oh, that's just a piece of paper. Now these I can use as journaling. We also have, where is it? this pack of stuff. Let me see if I have anything in the blues family. Flowers, textured envelope. Nope. That's pretty. Oopsie. Oh, these are dolls. Okay, so let's put this back in here. This was from my swapping days. All right, so I kind of like this one. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, this one too. What else is blue in here? Oh, this one more. Just this one. We'll see what that one looks like. And I have these little books too. I kind of okay, let's see that. Alright, so let's play with that. I also have this here, a library card. Okay, so these, no doubt we're gonna use like journaling cards. So let's put those aside. Let me cover my ink because I'm getting all sorts of, this is really sticky back there. All right, so let's see. Oh, that looks pretty, but what's in here? It's just a tag. Or, oh, I wish you can tell me over the video, but too much green, but I like the contrast to that. Let's see what this one looks like. I also have some stuff in there. Some glasses. And a teacup. So let's put that over there because we don't need that. Oh, look at this one. That is so pretty. What is some sort of zipper? Clean that off. Okay, so I know which one. I'm gonna go with this one. Just because it has brown. So we'll go with this one. Definitely go with this one. So let's start by inking the envelope. It's nice to have stuff already made because you can go through this stuff and use it instead of having to make everything. Okay, so we're gonna put this one to the right. I'm seeing white. Okay. All right, right there. So I was using these little daubers, and it seemed like it took me forever to ink up my stuff. And so I had a 60% off from Michael's and decided to go and use it and try these big daubers where you could just take this off. And they were like almost $8, and I got like a 2-pack for $3 with 60% off. And I go over to the next state, which in my case is New Hampshire, and they don't charge tax there, versus where I live in Massachusetts they do. So I kind of go there to save on tax. So let me ink this up. So that's where I bought these, and I am in love with them. I love them. They're much better. This flower is pretty bulky, but there we go. Is that so cute? Now for this page, I saw here these rub-ons. I've never used them before, but I'm gonna put them all over the this page on this side. And of course, I dropped the stick. I'm all over the place. Okay, here we go. Popsicle stick. So let's start rubbing. Well, let me put Joy here. I've never used these before, so let's see how they come out. Oh, that's pretty neat. All right, so Joy, doesn't really have anything good here. Priceless, maybe? Let's do Priceless. Oh, they're coming up. They're transferring easily. Okay. And one more. Unique. Let's do Unique. So a lot of these words do not go with what I have in mind. Guess this doesn't work that much. You're so worth it. Oh boy, favorite thing. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what to do on this page. Maybe, you know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the a library card. One pocket. Okay, we're gonna do with the library card. Before we go with the library card, let's find one of these pages. Let's do the closest to that. It would be that. Oh wait, there's another one. No, that's too busy. All right, we'll go with this. So this is how I do it. I bring it to the edges. Take my scissors. Cut it right across. There we go. And now let's ink everything up. This is so sticky. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's ink up this here too. Do this corner. Wipe it all off. And let me do the corners. This, I showed you this on the last video. This is great. If I haven't, you'll see it. There we go. Okay. So we gotta glue this here. To the side. I have a limited space and I have like all my stuff all over. Okay, I like that. Now I'm going to put on some music sheet. I love music sheet. Let's just use music notes instead of the words. Snip this corner. Do that. Maybe a butterfly. Or wait, I have this here. Let's try the dragonfly. Oh, that's so pretty. I like, I kind of like my butterfly more than I like that. Yep. And where's my, would it fit in there? Okay, I need a word. I need a word for the middle of this. Where are my rub-ons? I just had them. Okay. Wow. No, it's too much green. Live large, hold. Explore, grow, best wishes, my party, give, good times. I don't like any of these. Okay.